Welcome! In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable voice message transcripts on WhatsApp. This feature is incredibly helpful, allowing you to read voice messages instead of listening to them, making communication more accessible and convenient. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once inside, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. This opens a drop-down menu where you need to select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, tap on Chats. This section contains various customization options for your messaging experience. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Voice Message Transcripts. Tap on it to proceed. Here comes an important step. Selecting your preferred language for transcription. Tap on Choose Language, and you'll see a list of supported languages such as English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, and Hindi. Pick the language that suits your needs. Once you've chosen the language, tap Set Up Now. At this point, WhatsApp may ask whether you want to download the language pack immediately or wait until connected to Wi-Fi. Select your preferred option, and the setup will be completed. That's it! You've successfully turned on voice message transcripts. Now, whenever you receive a voice message, WhatsApp will provide an option to transcribe it into text. This feature is processed locally on your device and maintains end-to-end encryption, ensuring your privacy is fully protected. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. See you in the next video.